To download Trust Wallet on iOS, start by opening the App Store on your device. The App Store is where you can find and download various applications, including Trust Wallet. Once you have opened the App Store, tap on the Search tab located at the bottom of your screen. In the search bar, type in Trust Wallet and select the Trust Wallet application from the search results. Make sure to select the official Trust Wallet application to avoid downloading any fake or malicious apps. After selecting the Trust Wallet application, tap on the Get button to initiate the download process. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Touch ID or Face ID to authenticate the download. Once the download is complete, tap on the Open button to launch the Trust Wallet application. You will then be prompted to create a new wallet or recover an existing one. If you are new to Trust Wallet, select the Create a New Wallet option and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your wallet. During the setup process, you will be given a recovery phrase that you should write down and store in a safe place. This recovery phrase is used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to your device or forget your password. After setting up your wallet, you can start using Trust Wallet to store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies. Trust Wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. To ensure the security of your wallet, make sure to set up a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. You should also keep your device and the Trust Wallet application up to date with the latest security patches and updates. By following these steps, you can easily download and set up Trust Wallet on your iOS device. Remember to always prioritize security and follow best practices to protect your cryptocurrency holdings.